Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to delete some hash elements, and then we're going to get the size of the hash, and then we're going to check if the hash is empty, and then we're going to add new elements, and then we're going to finally print out the hash. So I've created a hash here for you. So we've got the keys and the values. So Dave is 55, Bill 88, Joe 99. Okay, so first of all what we're going to do is we're going to print, and this is going to be the hash and a message, original values or elements. I'm going to say original elements here. So these are the original elements of the hash that it's going to print out. And I'm going to give it a pause by using the sleep function here. So I'll give it a pause for 1 second. And then we're going to type in delete. And we're going to delete an element here. So this is hash, scalar hash. And the name of the element we're going to delete is going to be Joe. So that's the first element we're going to delete. Then we're going to delete another element in the hash. And that's going to be called Dave. And then we're going to delete the third element in the hash. Whoops. Scalar hash, and that's going to be Bill, and then we're going to print the new hash. Okay, I've typed down here hash1, this will call it, so let's just run it. Okay, so we've got the original elements, and then we've got the deleted elements here. Let's just call that again. So what's original elements? Okay, so what we're going to do now, I'm going to go down a little bit further. I'm going to create a scalar variable called hash size. I'm going to assign it to scalar, and this is going to be the hash here. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get the size of the hash using the scalar, and we're going to introduce a conditional saying if hash size is equal to 0, that means if there's nothing in the hash, if it's empty, we're going to do something. I'm going to tell the user by printing out the hash is empty. And then we're going to tell the user what we're going to do, which is we're going to add some new elements. So adding new elements. And then we're going to give it a pause. This time we're going to give it a pause for 2 seconds using the sleep here. And then we're going to go scalar hash. We're going to add some new elements to it. We're going to type them in uppercase here, so Peter. And we're going to assign and age to Peter. Peter's 100. He's a coffin dodger. And then we've got the next one, hash, and whoops, I'm going to assign another name for that, Paul. Don't know if they're related or not. He's just a young pup. He's 25. Okay, and then we're going to print it out. Whoops. Scalar hash. Like that. Okay, let's save it and let's run the program. There we go. So that's the original hash here. I could have formatted this a little bit better, but it doesn't matter. You get the idea of what's going on. And then the hash is empty after we've deleted all of those. And then we add the new elements, which is Peter and Paul here, with their ages 125. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you've not done so already, make sure you smash that subscribe button below, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.